everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. We are back again with a Mashelembe story. She is trending again, but this time, guys, it's not good news. As you all know, that many people donated the money to a bank account after that painful episode of Mnakwethu. So, ISOLEZWE today reported that Nomfundo Mathonsi, who is a full-time network marketer, allegedly scammed Mashelembe an amount of 20,940 for her baby showers expenses. Nomfundo Mathonsi is the lady who assisted Mashelembe with a lot of things. She's the first person to reach out and drove Mashelembe around, helping him with many things, including ukulungisa ibank account kaMashelembe yayingasebenzi that time njengoba abantu abaningi babefona befuna ukumsiza financially. Nomfundo wrote the following message to Ladies House Group in response to ISOLEZWE allegation. I'm sure you all have seen this article, and abanye benu bebethi ngize ngizosiphendulela. Okay, I won't talk much about this cause indaba ikuba meli or indaba isigma lawyers. I got a letter from Mashelembe's legal team yesterday, so I pass it on to my legal team as well. Ithimba lika Mashelembe lithelling nika u3 days to pay le mali. I told her lawyer ukuthi ngeke ngikwenze lokho. If they want to take me to court, so be it. Court iyo ezokwenza or ezoveza bonke ubufakazi balento engibekwe yona, ngoba uMashelembe useveza nokuthi samusa ku baby shower engafuni, ethi ngamlanda kubo ekubeni sizohamba wuye owazizela kimi, and kukhona konke lokhu from my side nginawo ama proof wemali eyakhokhwa endaba launch. Indaba launch, guys, i accommodation la kwenzela khona i baby shower e Richards Bay, and kwangasiyimi owaye organizer ivenue. Kuningi nje ukukhuluma okukhona, kodwa ke I'm sure kusazovela konke okwenzeka. Ngilindi date eyayikhothe, mhlamba abanye benu bayothanda ukuzomamela. Okwamanje ngizosho lokhu kuphela, abanesifiso sokungithuka sebengangithuka ke, ngoba babe sebezwe iside elilodwa le story. Engakusho nje ukuthi ngiyasola ukuthi ngangivumelane ukuyosiza uMashelembe ngoba sengihlala ngisezinkingeni ngenxa yayo yonke lento. Yo, guys, I can't believe this happening after umsebenzi omuhle kangaka by everyone who contributed. There is always two sides of story. Hoping this matter will be resolved soon. Mashelembe's lawyers requested Nomfundo to pay the money and write an apology to Mashelembe, umndeni wakhe, and everyone who contributed to Mashelembe. From your point of view, guys, ucabanga ukuthi kwenzekeni kahle kahle la? Is Mashelembe lying or telling the truth? Do you think uNomfundo wayithatha ngampela imali or uyasukelwa? Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.